Happy Halloween and welcome back to the MixedSid channel. So we're going to do this one more time, the last Halloween cocktail for the year, and it's been a blast. So for today's Halloween cocktail, it is the Halloween Mimosa. So with a mimosa, of course, it's served in a champagne flute. And of course with mimosa, it is champagne, but with it being Halloween, a little bit of a Halloween twist of blood, I think. I'm just joking there. It's just homemade grenadine mixed in with champagne, as I will show you guys how to make this classic but very simple Halloween cocktail, the Halloween Mimosa, everyone. Happy Halloween. So what we're doing next is pouring in the grenadine now. Beautiful. And it's as simple as that. There it is, the Halloween Mimosa. Happy Halloween, everyone. How does it taste? Can't say I've ever had champagne and grenadine together before, but it works. So with the champagne, you've got the bubbles, especially with being at Moe, so we've got the better class of champagne. But with the grenadine, it certainly balances it out, because it doesn't ruin the drink at all. It's certainly delicious. That I'd probably rate that a solid 8 out of 10. It's nice and effective. If you want to get the party started, make a Halloween mimosa. It's absolutely simple to make. It's just simple as that. Grenadine, you can have a little bit of fun how you want to decorate it. You can serve it in a syringe as well if you wish to just insert your grenadine into the champagne like that. But I've gone for a little potion glass. So happy Halloween, everyone. That has been the Halloween mimosa. But if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as I will be returning to the normal cocktail ideas. So from next week, we will be returning back to the classics or any new cocktails like that. So we'll be going back to that. So I'm probably thinking more of Alchemist, trying to view the cocktails in their recipe book. So I might do that throughout November. If you do have any cocktail ideas, just let me know in the comments below. So I'm happy to oblige. Or if there's any weird and quirky, or if there's any weird or wonderful ideas that you want me to try, or any challenges. Because I've still not got my hands, can't say enough on Malort, as that's something I'm trying to do. I've not got my hands on that yet. Of the English guy versus Malort, that's not happened yet. Still struggling to get in this country in the UK. So if there is any American friends watching this, how do I get Jepson's Malort to the UK? Just let me know in the comments below. I'm intrigued. I want to try it. I've heard bad things, and it's certainly right up my street of a challenge. But I've been MixedSid. This has been the Halloween Mimosa. Happy Halloween. That's really, really nice.